Start, sir.
Good evening, everybody. Our school, Yakalabia Model Residential School, Vairamaram, Andhra Pradesh, proudly conducting G20 Yuva Marathon program on today. So on this occasion, it is a great opportunity to welcome all the representatives of G20, country delegates and all officials and all the media representatives. Today, we are going to conduct G20 Yuva Marathon. I am very glad and happy to participate in such a great event. First of all, we discuss briefly about this program. The group of G20, that is G20, is a premier forum for international economic cooperation. It plays an important role in shaping and strengthening global architecture and governance on all major international economic issues. India holds the presidency of the G20 from 1st December 2022 to 30th November of 2023. So, I want to share this mic to Sri Hindi sir to enter this meeting.
सभी को शुभ शाम। यहाँ पर आज तो आज मैं एक ग्रुप ऑफ 20 के बारे में कुछ संदेश देना चाहता हूँ। ग्रुप ऑफ 20 माने क्या है और इसका उद्देश्य क्या होता है। अंतरराष्ट्रीय आर्थिक सहयोग का एक प्रमुख मंच है। यह सभी प्रमुख अंतरराष्ट्रीय आर्थिक मुद्दों पर वैश्विक संरचना और आदिशासन निर्धारित करने तथा उसे मजबूत करने का एक प्रमुख भूमिका निभाता है। यह G20 का शुरुआत दिसंबर 1999 में बर्लिन में हुई थी। इस G20 का कोई अपना स्थायी स्थानालय नहीं है, तो भारत इसका 1 दिसंबर और 2022 से 30 नवंबर 2013 तक भारत इसका अध्यक्ष करेगा। धन्यवाद।
So first of all, having perhaps this evening, my happiness knows no bound to introduce G20, which is also known as Group of 20. So let's go into this list of countries. The Group of G20 comprises the countries such as Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Indonesia, Italy, Japan, Republic of Korea, Mexico, Russia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Turkey, United Kingdom, and the United States, along with the European Union. G20 members currently account for more than 80% of world GDP, 75% of global trade, and 60% of global population. Actually, in this esteemed event, I say proudly, our students from EMRS Vairamaram are going to take part in the Y20. Y20 in the sense Youth 20. So along with 20 countries are taking part to share their views and ideas to inculcate very important ideas in the minds of our students, hoping that it is going to be successful with flying colors. So I would like to start from these countries with India.
Good evening to all. Have a great day, all of you. Promotion of indigenous sports. Today, the sports sector is becoming a significant element in a country's socio-economic development as well as a medium of cultural diplomacy between nations. Many countries, including India, regarded sports as a delicate power. It is a way to maintain cordial relations among the countries. The United Nations also believes the sports is one of the greatest diplomatic aspects in the promotion of international security as well as peace. With that in mind, sporting events like cricket, football and tennis have garnered worldwide intercultural exchanges and interest. That people unite in one voice while achieving this so-called sports diplomacy, targeted by the authorities. For instance, FIFA World Cup in 2020 recorded to be, for instance, the most streamed sporting World Cup events in the part of 10 years. From this stream of third, promoting the upkeep and development of sports becoming all the more necessary. For that to continue, every nation must invest the latest technology, related infrastructure that relates to best sports practices, training, research, and wellness throughout the sporting institutions. Proper policies and the implementation of robust laws to promote sports among us young citizens will go a long ways as well. Take a look at some of the following sports initiatives and schemes and launched by the Indian government to inspire and carry the sports for all dream for young citizens. Thank you to all.
Good evening, Manandal. What is G20 agenda? If we notice closely, the G20 was launched as a forum for economic cooperation focusing majorly on broad macroeconomic issues, but in due course of time and recognizing the need, it has expanded its agenda and includes trade, climate change, sustainable development, health, agriculture, energy, environment and anti-corruption. The agenda and mandate of G20 now addresses the needs of the current times in order to deliberate on and then benefit its members. Designated as the premier forum for international economic cooperation, this makes G20 truly an international organization for economic cooperation among its member countries. Thank you, Ananda.
Good evening to all. Accelerated, inclusive and resilient growth. And accelerated, resilient and inclusive growth is a cornerstone for sustainable development. During its G20 presidency, India aims to focus on areas that have the potential to bring structural transformation. This includes an ambition to accelerate integration of MSMEs in global trade, bring in the spirit of trade for growth, promote labor rights and secure labor welfare, address global skills gap and build inclusive agricultural value chains and food systems, etc. Thank you to all.
Good evening to all. The G20 under the Germany president to the meet under the them shopping and interconnect the world and according special emphasis to addressing the global menace of terrorism. A G20 leaders retreat on fighting terrorism. A heat of the formal commencement of summit proceedings. Thank you to all.
Good evening to everyone. The G20 summit in 2019 Japan and focused on key issues such as trade, investment, excess capacity of steel, digitalization of debt-free flow with trust. The G20 OECD framework on base of erosion profit share, the quality of infrastructure, investment, anti-corruption and climate change, energy, environment, displacement and migration. The G20 leaders and relies on important statement on preventing the explanation for internet for terrorism and violent extremism conceived to terrorism. Thank you.
Good evening to all. One of the themes for the G20 India Summit is health, well-being and sports agenda for youth. Take look at the per with the section to understand the prevalence of young people in the sphere of health, infrastructure, complete wellness and sports development. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Have a nice day. India's G20 presidency collides with the crucial midpoint of the 2030 agenda. As such, India acknowledges the detrimental impact of COVID-19, which changed the current decades of action into a decades of recovery. In line with this perspective, India wants to focus on recommitting G20's efforts to achieving the target laid out in the G20 to the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. Thank you, Vanadu.
Good morning to all. Have a nice day. The G20 work is divided into two tracks. The Finance track and the Sherpa track. Within two tracks, there are thematically oriented working groups with representatives from the relevant ministries of the member as well as from invited guest countries and various international organizations participate. Thank you to all.
Good evening to all. Group 20 brings together the world major developed and developing economies, make it a premier forum for international economic cooperation. Let us understand this a bit more. This is a forum which binds the developed and developing economies in order to mutual benefit from one another in way of depends attempt to reduce the inequality and disparity among the world economies. Thank you to all.
Proper coordination and the implementation of robots led to the prominent sports among young citizens will go a long way of. We'll take a look at some of the following sports and the scheme launched by the Indian government of inspired and carry the sports for all dream for young citizens. Israel she said had a rapid and successfully coordinating vaccination programming leveraging technology including a centralized digital health record system and a national vaccination digitally low income countries faced significant challenges in their immunization programming during COVID-19 due to limited resource, weak health system and logistical concerns. However, some countries utilized innovative approaches including the as mobile technologies, community health worker and outreach programs to reach remote areas and deliver vaccine to vulnerable population.
Good evening, one and all. Have a nice day. One of the themes in the G20 agenda is the concept of lifestyle of environment with the aim of living in harmony with nature for the aim of living nature for a sustainable living. The ideas was envisaged by Prime Minister Sir Narendra Modi at Glasgow in the conference
parties 26 in 2021. We are aware that the environment degradation is affected the lives of people a very region like nature and other organisms coexist with us, the movement for a gender and cleaner earth.
Good evening to all. Sports began at this century. The responsibility to promote and develop sports in a century. Countries specifically for indigenous groups and tribal societies, which the sports states and union governments to enable young players' talents and inspire them to showcase their capacity to sports is a must to bridge social cultures groups. For instance, one of the vertical of the Kelo Indians promotion of rural and indigenous tribal games is designed to promote and increase the rise of traditional sports in India. Thank you, one all.
Good evening, one and all. Today, the sports sector is becoming a element in the country's development as well as a medium between national many, including India, reward sports and a power it is was 2 million kinds. Among the contents, the United Nations because believes the sports in one of the greatest